Well, people, I don't know what video number this is. I'm pretty sure it's number 4. Um, most of the power has gone out. As you can see, there are no street lights at all. That is not a street light. That is, I think, a house. Yeah. Yeah, pretty sure. A car just went by. It's getting really bad out here. Worse than before. Still waiting on hearing that big tree come down, so. Damage over there is astronomical. The trailer siding has been literally ripped off. Yeah. Pretty bad. I still have power. It's been flickering on and off. I was actually in the shower and it went off for like 10 seconds and then came right back on. Yeah. Luckily. Yeah. As I said in the earlier video, it is no longer a hurricane, it's a tropical storm. They changed that around 8:29, I believe. That's pretty bad. I mean, I'm even afraid to go into the middle of the street to see, whatever. Yeah, it's coming. It's definitely coming, and it's coming with fury. Yeah. Pretty bad. Alright, well, see you guys in about maybe an hour or two. Bye-bye.